All right, today we're going to be talking about Purdia. Purdia is yet another prop firm with the skip the eval, straight to funding model, and it turns out they were actually the first, and I'm going to be making the case for why they might actually be the best. Now, as you know, I'm all about the instant funding. I'm okay with evaluations, but I'm not someone who's going to YOLO or over leverage. I much prefer a slow and steady approach. And if you're new to prop firm dreams, I'm already trading 36 accounts. It's much easier for me to just copy new accounts to my existing portfolio without me having to do anything different. The first thing I do with any prop firm that I'm researching is I want to know what their track record is. Is there safety? Have they been doing this for a while? Purdia has been in business since 2022, and over those 3 years, they have never denied a single payout. As usual, I went to Trustpilot to see if there are any complaints. They don't have a single 1 star, which is pretty hard to do if you've been in business for a few years. Usually, at least somebody's upset about something. Here's a few of their reviews. Fully recommend it. I had an exceptional experience with Purdia Capital. Their support team is absolutely top notch. From my experience, I would agree with this. Very quick turnarounds on customer support. Here's another one. Brandon Miller. This is the best prop firm that I have come across yet. The customer service is fantastic and the payouts are very quick. And the list goes on and on. Now, as you know, I'm interested in the instant funding model. And as you're about to find out, they have the best rules of any straight to funding prop out there. And it's not even close. So we have two options here, but I'm going to be focusing on the 100K. With the 100K, you get 10 minis, 3K of end of day drawdown. This is important because there's still some firms out there trying to screw traders with the intraday trailing drawdown. The 3K is also your profit target in order to get paid. So you have a 3% drawdown and a 3% target. A 1-to-1 ratio is fantastic. That's fantastic for an evaluation, let alone a straight to funded. Very easily hit. So for comparison, Tradeify, another straight to funded prop firm that I have, has a 4% drawdown and a 6% target. So to put that in numbers, for their 150K, you have a 6K drawdown and you have to make 9K. Now, that alone is a pretty solid offering. A 1-to-1 ratio is fantastic. You only have to make 3K to get paid, but this is where it gets really good. One of the drawbacks of the instant funding model is the consistency rule. With most firms, it's 20%, whether it's Tradeify, TickTick Trader, Savius, GoatFund Trader is 22%, which is nominal. The consistency rule really caps your upside. But unbelievably, Purdia has no consistency rule. Next, the profit split is 90-10. That's pretty consistent across the industry. The only real rule is you need at least 10 trading days. So there's no consistency rule. There's no scaling rule, which is a big deal, as I found out for my funded futures. There's no activation fee. There's no market data fee once you go live. There's no news rule. I was looking at a firm recently. I want to say it was Trader Funder, and I was really interested in them. But not only do they have a trading rule, they specifically, you can't trade any red news. And so I schedule my personal setup around not trading news at 8:30. I don't trade FOMC. I trade usually the first 2 hours of the market. But you couldn't even trade through 10 o'clock news like ISM or Flash Manufacturing at 9:45. But Purdia doesn't have that. Purdia has no news rule. There's no payout cap like Savius, Tradeify, TickTick Trader. And the reason for this is they put you into a live account. You can withdraw your entire 3K if you wish once live. So there's no payout cap, there's no consistency rule, no scaling rule, no activation fee, no market data fee. There's no payout windows. You can request every day if you want, and payouts are processed within 24 hours. That's nice. If you've ever been in a situation where you're up for a payout, but then you had to wait for another payout window. It kind of sucks because you're kind of like, if I keep trading, then there's some risk there. And so you stop trading, but then you're leaving money on the table, sort of thing. And so that's pretty nice. So if you're already a consistently profitable trader looking for a reputable company with a good track record and a good reputation, then I think Purdia is an excellent choice. Certainly for straight to funding, it hands down has the best rules out there. It's hard to beat having no evaluation, no consistency rule, payout on demand, a 1-to-1 ratio, no scaling, no activation fee, no payout cap, no nothing, which is why I picked up account here about a week ago. So if you want to give Purdia a try and support the channel, use my code DREAMS for 25% off. You can follow me on the daily. I post all my trades, and I'll definitely be posting when I get my first payout with Purdia. But so far, I'm really liking what I'm seeing. It's a great offering, and I'll keep you guys updated on how it goes. Peace.